Hello students, good morning to all. Now today's period we are going to learn about circle. Now you can see there are some things in my hand. Okay, these all are in round shape. So this round shape things are known as circle. Okay, so this shape is circle. You will see the dial of the clock. It is also in a round shape. Okay, so it is also circle. Yeah. So now today's period we are going to learn about how to draw the circle and also elements of the circle. Now see, it is compass. It is there in your geometry box. Okay, so it is known as compass. Okay, it has two arms. See, the one arm has a sharp pointed metal pin on one end, and the other arm can hold the pencil. Okay, so now I'm going to use this on the board. So on place of pencils, I am going to use chalk. Okay. In your compass box, you can see the compass. Okay. And for the compass, you will see on another hand, you can adjust your pencil with screw. With the help of compass, how we have to draw the circle that we are going to see. Okay. So for this, we have to keep a metal point. Before that, I will keep a point. Okay. I'll give the name for that as P. So we have to keep the metal point on this point. Then we will take a little bit distance in our compass. Okay, and another arm we have to move. Okay, we just have to keep in our mind that metal point should not be relaxed from its original point. Okay. So the same way, yeah. So now our circle is ready. Okay. So with the help of given point, so with the help of compass, just now I have drawn a circle on board. So you will see point P is known as center of a circle. Okay. Then we will take any point on a circle. I will give the name as A. Okay. So A is a point on a circle. Now we will join this point A and point P. Okay. C. So the center of the circle I have joined with any point which is lies on circle. Okay. The line segment which joins center of the circle and any point lies on a circle is known as radius. Okay, so it is radius. If we extend AP and we get or we will meet the same line on another point on a circle, you will see here. So it is AP. We will extend that AP. Okay, just we have to extend that AP, and when it meets on another point for a circle, we will give the name as B. Okay, see, just now if we extend AP on another side, then we get the point B. Yeah, then if you measure or if you will see that AB is known as diameter of a circle. That AB divides the circle into two equal parts. You will see that point, the part 1 and part 2. Okay, that AB which is passes through the point P is divide the circle into two equal parts. Okay, okay. So if AP is 2 centimeters, then PB also 2 centimeters. Why? Because we know that P is the center of a circle. If center of a circle joined with any point which lies on a circle is known as radius. Okay, so that PB also joined with the center of a circle. So if AP is 2 centimeters, then PB also 2 centimeters. Okay, if you see AP and PB, two plus 2, then it will be 4 centimeter. Okay, so the diameter will be 4 centimeter. Means diameter is double of radius. Yes, means diameter is 2 times of radius. And you will see diameter always passes through the center of a circle. Okay, now here diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Diameter is always double of a radius. Okay, if radius 2 centimeter, then diameter will be 4 centimeter. If radius is 8 centimeter, then diameter will be 16 centimeter. Understood? And it is opposite for radius. Radius is half of a diameter. If diameter is 4 centimeter, then the radius will be 2 centimeter. Why? Because 2 is half of 4. Similarly, if the diameter is 8 centimeter, then the radius will be 4 centimeter. Understood? Okay, so with the help of compass, how we have to draw the circle? Just now we have seen. To draw the circle, we are using the bilateral lid of a bottle, or there are so many objects which are in a circular shape. That all we use to draw a circle. Okay, so now we are going to solve the practice 14.3. Practice 14.3. Okay, from practice 14.3, first it is given there. Make a point O on your notebook. Now with O as a center and radius 4 centimeter, draw a circle. Measure its diameter. Is the diameter 8 centimeter? Okay, so first we have to draw a circle with radius 4 centimeter. Okay, now I'll show you how to take a distance with the help of your compass and scale. Okay, so see here. This is your scale, okay, and the radius it is given there as 4 centimeters. So first you have to place a metal point or a 0, or the first big line it is given there on your scale. Okay, that metal point you have to place on the 0. Then you have to take a 4 centimeter distance in your compass. Okay, so after taking the distance, you don't have to move it. You have to keep this as it is. Okay. Then we will place metal point, but before that we will give the point, and they have given as point O. Okay, so that metal point we have to place on O. Then we will keep that metal point fixed, and we will move the other hand where we have fixed the pencil. Okay. Now see, it is easy to do on paper. So the same way we are going to draw. And just see how you have to hold the compass. Okay. Yeah. How you have to hold the compass? You have to hold with thumb and index finger. Okay. Now see, here our circle is completed. For this we will give, or we will take any point on the circle. We will give a point as P. Okay. Then with the help of scale, we have to join the center of the circle with any point which is lies on circle. Okay. And it is given that, and we have taken a distance of 4 centimeters, so that OP will be 4 centimeters. And as we have learned, diameter is always double of or 2 times of radius. Okay, if OP is 4 centimeters, means it is a radius. If radius is 4 centimeters, then diameter will be 8 centimeters. Okay. Here we have to find the diameter. Then the diameter is equal to 2 times radius. Okay, we will put the value in this formula. Diameter will remain as it is. Then the 2 multiplied by what is the radius? Correct. It is 4 centimeters. So we will write here 4 centimeters. Okay. Then 2 4s are 8. So the diameter will be 8 centimeters. Yes, it is correct. Diameter means what? We have to join any 2 points on a circle. That line means it is known as a chord. That chord means passing through the center of a circle. Okay. So we will join any 2 points on the circle, and the chord is passing through the center of the circle. Okay. Then I will give a name, that is TU. So TU is a diameter of a circle, and it will be 8 centimeters. Okay. See, the question is given there, that is it 8 centimeters? Yes. Yes. Diameter is 8 centimeters. Okay. Right. Then number 2, make a point P on your notebook. Now with P as the center and radius 5 centimeters, draw a circle. Measure with diameter. Is the diameter 11 centimeters? So that also we have to find. Okay. See here, the same way we have to take a measure for 5 centimeters. Then same way you have to keep your scale. So that measure point we have to place on 0. Then we will take a distance as 5 centimeters. Okay. So the same distance we have to keep. We will take point P. Point P. From that point P, we have to draw a circle. Then we will place a measure point of a compass on that point P, and we will move the other hand. We have adjusted our pencil. Now see, the board is too smooth, so it is not possible to hold the compass. So I have to hold it with 2 hands. Okay. So point P. Then we take any point which is lying on circle. Then I will join that point. And it is given there, we have taken the distance in our compass, that is 5 centimeters. So that PQ will be 5 centimeters. Then we have to draw a diameter. As we have seen, diameter means the chord which is passes through the center of the circle. Okay. So I will draw a chord. See, anyhow you can draw. The chord should be passing through the center of a circle. Okay. I will give the name A, B. If a chord passes through the center of a circle, then it is known as diameter. And we know that diameter is always 2 times of the radius. So if PQ is 5 centimeters, then AB will be 10 centimeters. Okay. The diameter AB will be 10 centimeters. But in question it is asked if the diameter is 11 centimeters. No. So it is no. Diameter is not 11 centimeters. Okay. Then the next question number 3, diameter of a circle is 20 centimeters. Find its radius. Okay. So it is number 3. Diameter is given here. Is 20 centimeters. Okay. We have to find radius. Okay. We have to find the radius. We know the formula. Okay. Diameter is 2 times of radius. Means radius is half of a diameter. Yes. So we will write as radius is equal to half. Means diameter divided by 2. divided by 2. Yes, if we divide any number by 2, we will get the half of that given number. So we will take this formula, radius is equal to diameter divided by 2 means half of diameter. Okay, so the same way we will put the value. Diameter, it is given as 20 centimeters. So that 20 divided by 2. Yes, we will do the division here also, or we can do like this. 20 divided by 2. First we will take the 2, 1 are 2. Then 0 will come down, 2 zeros are 0. So what is the remainder? 0. Okay, and what is the portion? That is 10. This our answer is 10 centimeters. Okay, so the radius is 10 centimeters. Understood? Right. Then number 4, make a point P on your notebook. Now with a P as a center and diameter 12 centimeters, draw a circle. Now see here, diameter is given there. So first we have to find the radius of the circle. Okay, we know that radius number 4 is there. Right. Number 4 is there. We know the diameter. Okay, we know the diameter, that is 12 centimeters. We have to find its radius. Okay, we know that radius is equal to half of the diameter. Okay, we now put the value 12 divided by 2, and we know that what is the half of 12? Correct, 6 centimeters. So the radius is 6 centimeters. Okay, so with the help of pen we have to draw a circle. Here, same way you have to take a distance of 6 centimeters in your compass. Here, first metal point you have to place on a 0, then adjust the compass on a 6. Okay, so 6 centimeters you have to draw a circle. Here, point P is there. So point P first we have to draw, then we will draw a circle. Okay, and we know that the radius is, we take R, that any point on a circle, and we draw the line that is 6 centimeters. So radius PR is 6 centimeters. Okay. Look in the question. Then the question number 5. Diameter of a circle is 16 centimeters. Find its radius. Again, we have to find the radius. Yeah. Question number 5. Diameter is given there 16 centimeters, and we have to find radius. Okay. We know that radius is equal to half of the diameter. You will put the value. Diameter is given there 16 centimeters divided by 2. Okay, you can put the division, or we know the half of 16. If we take a half of 16, it will be 8 centimeters. The radius is 8 centimeters. Okay, right. Then see number 6 is there. Radius of the circle, it is given there 30 centimeters. We have to find the diameter, and we know that diameter is 2 times of radius. So diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Okay, so the 2 multiplied by, we will put the value, that is 30. So 2 multiplied by 30, yes, 2 zeros are 0, 2 3s are 6, it is 60 centimeters. Okay, see, I have shown here directly, you can do that. 30 multiplied by 2. Okay, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 3s are 6. Understood? So the diameter is 60 centimeters as diameter is double of radius. Then number 7 is that filling the blank. Okay, you have to observe the figure which is given there. AB is the diameter of a circle. O is its midpoint. Okay, midpoint means it will be center of a circle. Yes, I draw a rough figure here. Okay, then it is given like this. O is there. Then AB is diameter. Okay, see here AB is the diameter of the circle and O is midpoint. Dash is the center of the circle. You will see O is midpoint and AB is diameter. Okay, and we know that diameter is the chord which passes through the center of the circle. Okay, so AB is passes through the O, means O will be center of a circle. So that first you have to write O is center of a circle. Then OA is the dash of the circle. Now OA, yeah, A is any point on the circle and O is center of the circle. We know that when center of the circle joined with any point which is lies on a circle is known as radius. Correct? So that OA is radius. Okay? So that OA is radius of the circle. Then two conditions are given there. If AB is equal to 10 centimeters, if AB means diameter of a circle is equal to 10 centimeters, then OB is equal to if AB is 10 centimeters, then OB will be half of the 10 centimeters. So what is the half of 10 centimeters? Correct. So that OB is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay. Then next condition is that OA is equal to 8 centimeters. Then AB will be CS. OA is equal to 8 centimeters. Correct? OA is the radius of a circle and AB is the diameter of a circle. If OA is 8 centimeters, then AB will be double of 8. So what is the double of 8? That is 16. So that AB will be 60 centimeters. Understood? Right. Then the last hot question is there. See number 8 is that. For that you have to draw a figure. Okay. So roughly I draw a figure. 1, 2, okay, 3 and 4. See here. See, 4 points are there. Okay, 4 points are there. These are the center, as we have seen. These are the center. Okay. If ABCD are the center of a 4 equal points kept as shown. Okay. These 4 equal points are there. And A, then B, C, and D. These 4 are the center of the coin. Okay. If radius of each coin means if I draw a radius for A, the circle whose center as A, it is the radius. Okay. If radius is 2 centimeters, we have to find AB, BC, CD, and DC. So for that we have to join this AB, BC, CD, and DC. Okay. See here. It is the point which is lies on circle. Okay. All circles are there who have radius as 2 centimeters. So it is 2 centimeters, 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 and 2 centimeters. Okay, we have to find AB, BC, CD, and DA. Okay, I'll give the point wherever they meet. CA, then P, Q, then R, and this S. Okay, if AP is 2 centimeters, then PB will be 2 centimeters. So these all we will see they all are 2 centimeters. Okay, so when we say that AB as a whole, so 2 plus 2 it will be 4 centimeters, 2 plus 2 it will be 4 centimeters, 2 plus 2 it will be 4 centimeters, and 2 plus 2 it will be 4 centimeters. Okay, so this AB, BC, CD, and DA they all are same. Understood? Yes, they all are equal. Understood? So solve this practice 14.3 in your notebook.